Now it's your turn to practice your understanding of the categories of real numbers. If you've not tried to identify which categories of real numbers each of the following numbers belong to, you should stop the video, do this now, and then return to the video to check your answers. Part A, we have -3/5. The first thing that stands out when I look at this number is that it is a fraction. Because it is a fraction, and it does not have a denominator of 0, I know that this is a rational number. But because it is a fraction, and is not a whole number, positive or negative, it does not belong to any other set. In part B, we have the square root of 49. Do not be thrown off by the fact that this has a square root in it. You want to contemplate what is the value of the square root of 49. The square root of 49 is 7. And I know that 7 is a natural number. But by default of being a natural number, 7 therefore falls inside of the whole number category. And every whole number is an integer. And every integer is a rational number. So 7 falls into 4 of the subcategories of real numbers. When I look at part C and the number -9, the first thing I recognize is that it's negative, but also that there is no fraction shown. So a negative whole number is the same thing as an integer. But again, just like our previous example, every integer falls into the category of rational numbers. In part D, we have a decimal. So what I first look at is I see that bar on top of the decimal, which tells me that this decimal is repeating. I know that repeating decimals are rational numbers. If a decimal repeats or a decimal terminates, meaning it stops, it is always a rational number. But because it has that decimal component to it, it is not a whole number, an integer, or a natural number. So the only subcategory this fits into is a set of rational numbers.